Here's the wiring diagram for the Ford Explorer. Your power comes from your switch, which is closed, and it travels through the relay, and the relay sends power to the fuse. Fuse sends power all the way down to the right front side marker lamp, and that is what turns your light on. Here we have the wiring diagram for the horn circuit. Power comes through your fuse and travels through the switch, which is closed, comes through a load and connects with the ground, and that is what causes your horn to come on. So now we're going to do a voltage check on the bulb. You take your probes, release to the probe, and you're getting about 12 volts, and that means that you have very good voltage. So now we're going to do the ohm test on the light bulb, and what you're going to do, you're going to take it out so it's isolated, and you're going to make sure your meter is on ohms, and you take your lead straight to the metal, and you get about 0.01 ohms. So now we're going to test the fuses. Right here we have a test light, and it shows if something's getting power or not. So you hook it up to the negative and press it on power, and you can tell we are getting power. Now you're going to come over to your fuses, and you're going to make sure you get on the metal side, and the light should light up. So that means you are getting power to your fuses.